My name was Emeriэль, but that name was a lie. I was born a girl, but I was raised as a boy. My parents said it was the only way I could survive. In the human kingdom, females were scarce and treated as playthings of power. My sister Akira was used by the king as a bet, as merchandise, as a slave. Until that day, the Urukai envoys came. The Urukai, inhuman beasts ruled by 4 overlords. For centuries, they had plundered human women, making them the enemies of mankind. They bought my sister. I chose to become a slave alongside her and stepped into this cursed land, Urai. Here, I experienced my first heat. Madame Livia told me I was a siren, a rare being who could bond with Urukai. And that beast, the feral form of Grand King Daemonaki, set its sights on me. He protected me. He also hurt me. He left his mark in my blood in my dreams. I fell in love with a beast, but soon he would be a beast no more. I woke up in my sister's room once again. The exhaustion I'm feeling now showed that I had an absurd night.
He's awake! Amy! Go fetch Madame Livia!
What happened? You had another mini heat yesterday, and somehow you ventured into the forbidden chambers on your own. There are plenty of Urukai males around. They would have hadly helped you through your heat. So why that beast? Why? I really don't know. My body made the decision for me. Akira looked at me, her eyes startled but full of concern, and suddenly I was afraid to tell the truth. I had lost my heart to that beast. How did I end up here? The beast brought you out. It sounds absurd to me too, but it didn't hurt you. How could I tell her that the beast's feelings for me was purer than any conscious Urukai's? I couldn't control myself, Kira. As soon as the heat started, all I could think about was him. Him? I think I belong to that beast, Kira. I am his soul bond.
Never! Do not let such a dreadful thought enter your mind.
I don't want to think like that either. I don't want to be bonded to one of those heartless Urukai. I want no part of this. Perhaps your body craves him because he is the only one you've been intimate with. That beast took your virginity. Not yet. I mean, my hymen is still intact. How is that possible? But you... I am a siren. My body heals itself after every heat. So now, if any of those lustful soldiers touched you, if I am not in heat, they would take my virginity again. Now I worry for you even more. You already worry too much. Do not make yourself sick. I healed fast too. Grand Lord Zyper mentioned how fast I healed, for a human. Thank the light. Have you been to the library? Yes. There must be another explanation. We will find it. I did not tell Kira that every dream I had was of the beast. Every time I touched myself, I was thinking of it. I hoped she was right. I hoped there was another explanation. Not the truth that my entire being was screaming at me, that I was Grand King Daemonaki's soul bond. But this secret was mine to carry alone, because once spoken, there would be no turning back. Sinna was Grand King Daemonaki's blood host. She hated me. And this man, Daryl, was the trade minister of Urai.
You are so sweet, Sinna. I wish we could do this more often.
You are over 1,000 years old, Daryl. You should not have such a large appetite anymore.
I am still as young as ever. How is it going with acquiring the land beyond crystal waters?
Vladia still refuses to release it.
Perhaps you should present your case to Grand Lord Otai and Grand Lord Zyper like he suggested?
Grand Lord Zyper? Let's face it. Everyone knows he fears Grand Lord Vladia.
Then why don't you seduce him into it?
Because I'm picky about my bedmates. You fit my standards better than he does. Oh, if it isn't Mistress Sina. Gali was the mistress of Grand Lord Zyper, the second ruler. Mistress Gali, What brings you to this part of town? I was on my way to the market. My lord has bestowed a generous number of coins upon me. I don't know what to do with such extravagant gifts. I bid you a pleasant morning, Mistress Gali. May fortune favor you in the market. Wait, have you heard the latest rumors circulating with Raven Shadow? What rumor has caught your attention? That charming human prince has been tending to your beast, and your beast greatly enjoys his service.
What did you say?
I heard he fed the beast with steak. Sina, even you couldn't do that, could you? But Grand Lord Damanaki needs my blood. The beast does not even recognize you when you approach. It is only because you are its blood host that you survive. Yet this human prince has repeatedly approached and fed the beast. Are you saying that your beast has already fallen for that human boy? She did not know I was not a human boy, but in that moment, she only saw one thing. I had touched her beast. My dear Lord Vladia, Grand Lord Vladia, the third ruler of Urai. I later learned that he discovered my secret earlier than anyone, but he did not expose me, at least, not yet.
To what do I owe the pleasure of your visit today?
I apologize for interrupting, but there are matters I wish to discuss. Grand Lord Vladia exchanged a look with Yaz, signaling him to leave.
What seems to be the matter?
I wish to punish one of your slaves severely. I thought it appropriate to inform you, considering you undertook the journey yourself to buy him.
Whom exactly are we referring to?
The young prince.
They are specially acquired slaves. The prince and the princess. Grand Lord Otai and I did not journey to the human world for 4 days only for them to die without cause. What is this truly about? I find it difficult to believe that you simply woke up this morning with an unprovoked desire to kill a slave.
I heard that he has been feeding Diamond. And you do not see anything wrong with that? He is a slave! He has no right to approach the Grand King!
Calm yourself. You, of all people, should be pleased that something like this happened. The boy made the feral eat.
Fine. Since you won't agree, I'll use other methods.
What are you trying to do?
Tomorrow night at the Harvest Festival, all the slaves must attend, dear Grand Lord Vladia. Just wait and watch the fun. Sina would not give up. She was plotting an even bigger conspiracy, one that would change everything about me. Akira sat by the well, watching me draw water. I struggled to lift the bucket. Akira laughed. Akira's gaze wandered and caught Vladia staring. She turned pale. Her smile vanished. She nudged me.
Return to your tasks.
Grand Lord Vladia's gaze followed Akira. Her dress was wet, revealing tempting curves and glimpses of her skin. Vladia snapped his eyes open, becoming sober. Akira and I had already walked away.
My lord, your fangs. Summon Lady Marilyn. Instruct her to meet me in my chambers.
He summoned his blood host. That night, he lost control. I apologize for taking so long, dear Vlad. I have been experiencing cramps. The baby could come any day now. Vlad?
I am your master. Address me as such. Now.
Master. You are my master.
Now, like a good girl, open your legs for me.
Marilyn gasped, the fabric between her thighs dampening.
That's right. You belong to me.
Grand Lord Vladia groped Marilyn's breast through her clothes and lowered his head.
No, please, stop! I'm already married to someone else!
Even if you have united with another and carry his child, you still belong to me. Kneel!
With tears in her eyes, Marilyn slowly took off her clothes and knelt before Grand Lord Vladia. Grand Lord Vladia grabbed Marilyn's arm from behind, his fingers sliding down along her spine.
Vladia, please.
Akira. I'll fuck you until your legs can't close, and you can only cry and beg for mercy! Damn it! Akira, you sweet, wicked witch.
He was calling Akira's name. This man who hated humans actually got hard thinking about my sister. Grand Lord Vladia's hand continued to slide down along Marilyn's body.
Wait! Do you remember when we used to go hunting? You, Grand King Daimonaki, Tiara, and I.
Tiara?
Yes, remember her? She loved rock climbing and those silly moments in the woods. Silence. He released her. Then he blinked several times. The yellow faded. Gray returned. He focused on her.
Mary?
Hello, dear Vlad.
What did I do?
Nothing truly harmful. You simply asked me to present. You wanted to mount me.
I apologize for that, Mary. You know I respect your bond with Henry. I don't know why I would do something like that. She's human. I hate that I want her.
Perhaps she means something to you.
I don't want her to mean anything.
But he was lying. Kira meant too much to him, and he didn't know where that desire would lead him. That night, without telling Akira, I went to Lord Herod's estate. There was something I had to do.
Emeriel.
Grand Lord Zyper had taken an interest in Akira and me. Perhaps he would claim us at the Harvest Festival. For Akira's sake, and for my own, I had to do this.
I apologize for intruding at this late hour. Tomorrow at the harvest ceremony, I know I will be introduced. I don't know what will happen.
Easy now.
You bought your wife from her former owner. I wondered if you might consider buying me and my sister as well.
But this is different.
Please.
What? Stop, Emeriel.
As long as you are willing to buy my sister and me, I will do anything for you.
I understand your situation, but honestly, I don't see a way. Now you belong to the Grand King. It is impossible.
No.
The only solution I can think of is to lay a claim on you. When I select you, no other lord will have the opportunity to take you.
Do you truly believe that?
Unless a Grand Lord takes an interest in you. Only they have the authority to override me. And based on the previous introduction, I am aware that Grand Lord Zyper showed interest in you. Do not worry excessively. Hopefully Grand Lord Zyper will become interested in someone else. Without his interference, I can protect you. You have to leave before the slave masters notice your absence. The punishment would be severe.
I left, with a sliver of hope. But that hope shattered the next night. The harvest ceremony had begun. I was wearing red, which meant I hadn't been presented yet. Once presented, I would have to take them off.
All hail the Grand Lords! Grand Lord Zyper! Grand Lord Vladia! Grand Lord Ottai!
Seina's gaze locked onto me, full of hatred.
Hey, pretty boy. Come keep me company. I chose you first. What are you doing serving drinks when you should be serving me?
I apologize, my lord. Lord Herod saved me. He brought me to his side. I was safe. For now.
I officially announce that for the safety of our people, we must eliminate the Grand King's beast.
The whole room erupts. Some spit out their drinks, spoons hang midair, even lords indulging with slaves freeze.
I know some of you disagree, but we have waited 5 centuries. The Grand King is not coming back. His beast must die.
But we are not ready yet. How can you bear to see our people continue to suffer?
Grand Lord Vladia, we cannot wait any longer.
My chest hurt. Why? Killing the beast should be a good thing. My sister wouldn't suffer anymore. I wouldn't be haunted by it anymore.
Tonight is a celebration. We will continue the festivities. We will discuss this another day.
They would discuss it again. But in that moment, I knew their plans had begun.
She stands beside Grand Lord Zyper, lowers her head, and whispers something in his ear.
Grand Lord Zyper's gaze shifted to me, locked and narrow.
Lord of Trade, would you mind sharing that charming boy of yours with me?
Do you dare defy my orders?
I would never even dream of it, Your Highness. This time, no one could save me.
Your sister was quite eager to undress for me last time. Tonight, I want you to do the same. Strip and present for me.
I could not resist, which meant I was about to reveal my secret. I was female.
Are you deaf? Perhaps that will reset your hearing. It was as if an irresistible force inside me impelled me to speak. I could not resist. Please help me, my beloved.
What was I saying?
Did you not hear me? I said, strip!
A deafening roar pierced the air, so loud and deep just the entire locks breaking, followed by a resounding crash as a door splintered open.
The beast's roar grew clearer and clearer, and the ground shook violently.
It's over. It's Grand King Daminaki's beast. It has escaped from the Forbidden Chambers. It would be a massacre. What should we do?
I don't know, but we must not attempt to escape.
Listen to me. The beast is already loose, and if you try to flee, it will kill anything in its path. You are Urukai. You understand how our beasts operate. Do not provoke the predator. It's coming here, and it's approaching fast.
I could try to stop him.
This is not the time to play hero, Zyper. Facing that beast on a night like this, you would not stand a chance. Curse you, Oltai. Are you implying that I am weak?
We all know you're practically itching to fight the beast again, but I highly advise against attempting it tonight.
You bastard.
Let's focus on saving our people, shall we? Your obsession with killing the beast can wait.
I could try to calm him down. Perhaps blood-feeding him.
That's not going to happen. Damanaki didn't care much for you, even when he was himself. Without the bloodlust driving him, his feral beast will tear you apart.
It must be something you damned slave did! Otherwise, how could he—
And then, the beast came. It came to save me. But in that moment, all I felt was fear. The beast charged into the hall. Sina was thrown back by the violent shockwave. All eyes turned to the beast. From the lords to the privileged, down to the slaves. Everyone remained still, terrified. No one moved a muscle. No one screamed. Oh gods, was it going to kill me? Had it spared me all this time only to eat me in public? But the beast moved past me, positioning itself between me and the onlookers. Then it raised its head and roared into the sky. As one, they bowed their heads, tilting them to the side, exposing their necks, a show of utter submission to the dominant alpha beast they had unknowingly provoked. Grand Lord Autai and Vladia bowed their heads, tilting them to the side, baring their necks.
However, Zyper defiantly stared at the beast.
What in Hades do you think you're doing? You're wasting your time, Autai. The second ruler is not a fool, nor is he a child. If he decides to play with fire, there's nothing you can do about it.
Zyper cursed under his breath before reluctantly joining them in a submissive position. Shocked gasps filled the air as the beast snarled into Zyper's face, digging its claw deep into his skin, drawing blood.
Coward.
Fortunately for Zyper, the beast released him, dropping him back to his feet. This time, Zyper hastily bared his neck without hesitation, fully submitting. Although it spared Grand Lord Zyper, it still looked unsatisfied. A strongly aggressive pheromone spread through the hall. It was provoking Grand Lord Zyper. Zyper breathed a sigh of relief. Vladia sneered at him, and Zyper's face flushed red with anger. It emitted a purr like a satisfied cat, then inhaled deeply once more.
My God, I've never seen him like this. That boy. Why?
No!
It took me away, saved me from that hell.
Don't be crazy. You'll get yourself killed.
But I didn't know what awaited me next. Silence enveloped the room. Moments later, amid murmurs, people began fleeing the court.
I need to ensure the safe evacuation of everyone. Vladia, could you check which way the beast went? Of course. Why? Because you thought it would be amusing to provoke it, only to end up being lifted off your feet? You bastard! You two, not now. How does a feral beast enter a crowd, spare lives, and depart with a boy cradled protectively in its arm? We are all as bewildered as you are. Do you think it intends to take the boy to a quiet place and kill him or something? The last time it sought her out, it was driven by sexual hunger. What could be the motive this time? Maybe it has developed a taste for her blood, but now is not the time for speculation. We must ensure the beast hasn't gone to the arena and evacuate the people.
Who is that boy, Sina? Being his blood host, surely you have some information? Grand Lord Vladia made his way to the forbidden chambers. Turning the corner, he found Akirua seated on the floor, sobbing inconsolably.
I can't see my brother! Please help me!
Vladia's gaze languid on Akira's tearful eyes and heaving chest. He forced himself to look away, his face cold and hard.
Return to your chambers. You should not be here.
As long as you can help me, anything is fine. Including me.
Isn't that what you desire? You can have it! I'll spread my legs for you, and even present...
Don't you dare. You are my slave, Akira. I have ownership over this body. I will take it whenever and however I please. You are in no position to negotiate with me.
I just... Please, I need to know if my brother is safe.
And you believe barging into the forbidden chambers and provoking the beast was the right course of action? Putting yourself and your brother's life at risk, as well as endangering the lives of my people? Get out of here, Akira. Return to your room. That is an order.
No!
Vladia was drawn to Kira. He hated himself for it, but he couldn't help it. Continuing on his way to the Abyss territory, he dismissed the soldiers he encountered.
Emeriel?
I curled on the floor, hair unbound, fully clothed. My breathing was steady and rhythmic, and I was fast asleep. And a few feet away, the beast sat, watching over me protectively, possessively.
What is it about her, Daemon? Is it her blood, or is she simply your new plaything?
The beast does not answer.
Could this girl have the power to bring you back from insanity? Is that even possible?
Grand Lord Vladia sighs and turns to leave. Grand Lord Vladia walks down the corridor and passes by Akira's room. Sobbing sounds come from inside. He pauses.
No, I can't go in. I don't care about her.
Grand Lord Vladia lifts his foot and continues forward. The crying fades. Suddenly, he turns around, his face twisted in anguish, and runs toward Akira's room. Zyper was angry. Because of my existence, the beast did not die according to his plan.
If he were a girl, I would have believed him to be his soul bond. That would explain why a feral beast would fixate on him. But he is not.
What if that beast regains his sanity because of that boy? Then all my efforts to claim the position of Grand King will be in vain. Finish up here, Mada. 30 more slaps.
Losing the chance to become king sent Grand Lord Zyper into a rage. From now on, he didn't care what I really was. He just needed to kill me before I helped Diamonaki regain his sanity. Kira was relieved I had avoided Zyper's attention, but terrified of what the beast had done to me. She didn't know anything. All she knew was that M was gone. She wipes away her tears and rests back on the pillow. The soft sound of her door handle turning catches her attention. My lord.
Your brother is fine. Wipe away your tears and stop staining the sheets.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Do not thank me. I did not do you any favors.
But
I am not here because of your cries, but I wanted something else, so I am here to collect. Strip and give me your back.
the robe falls to the ground. Kira stands naked before Grand Lord Vladia. Kira didn't know why her body reacted. She wanted to command it to stop, to stay cold for that man who despised her. But her body, it was almost excited. Grand Lord Vladia turns Akira over so that her back is facing him.
Get on your hands and knees.
He stands behind her, his hands gripping her hips, pulling her toward the edge of the bed. He presses his erection against her.
The scent of your musk drives me insane.
With one forceful plunge, he enters her, releasing a low groan of pleasure. Akira sobs, attempting to move away from the burning sensation, but his grip on her waist tightens.
Why do you become so wet for me?
Hot! It burns, please!
Your blood calls to me. Why?
I don't know, Your Highness. Please don't.
Damn it! You're just a lowly human!
He abruptly pulls away from her. He straightens his clothes, takes his robe, and walks out. Akira lies naked on the bed, her body covered in traces of lovemaking. Her eyes are filled with tears, and she cannot move. He controlled himself. But Kira lay there, crying for a long, long time.